Hello you guys. Hi, my name is Weltha. I'm so excited to be recording again. But hi you guys. Hello you guys. Hi you guys. I'm glad to be back and I'm recording today. So today I'm gonna make a Super Bowl meal, okay? We're gonna make some beef hot links and we're gonna wrap it with bacon. So come on, come cook with me. I'm so happy to be back, you guys. Come cook with me. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few videos for my Super Bowl videos this year, you guys. So this will be number one of my Super Bowl party food, okay? So come on, let's cook. Come cook with me. Don't forget to smile. Okay guys, so these are the hot links that I'm going to use today, okay? So I picked these up at Costco. And it says that they're all beef, but I guess the skin part of it is pork. So that's what it says. But they're delicious, you guys. So if you go to Costco, pick these up. Alright? So that's what we're using today. Beef hot links. Okay guys, so the hot links that I'm going to use today are the Everwood, and I got them from Costco, so that's the name of them, okay? They're from Costco, so they're all beef hot links, okay? And then we're going to wrap it with some bacon, you guys. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so the ingredients that we're going to use today is, I got some beef hot links from Costco, and we're just going to use the normal toppings for it. But we're going to wrap these with bacon, okay? So come on, let me show you a closer look. Okay guys, here's a closer look at the hot links. See, they're called Ever Good, and they're from Costco, okay? All right, and then we're gonna have some bacon, and we have the onions, and I have some relish and pickles and tomatoes and mustard also, you guys. And we have the hot dog buns, okay? All right, that's the ingredients that we're using for this Super Bowl party meal, okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So let's cut into the hot dogs. Well, I don't know why I keep calling it hot dogs. Hot links, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna make 4 of them. Okay, and then let's put these up here. Look at that. I'm gonna use bacon and hot links. What a great mix, right? Okay, so now we're gonna get the bacon, and the bacon that I'm using is the, what is it called? Cloverdale. Okay, you can use whatever bacon you like. I never pick the same bacon anyways. Okay, so I think this is 2 slices, so let's take one off, and then we're gonna wrap this. Okay, just wrap it all around the hot link. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now time for the second one. So just get your bacon, just wrap it all around. I was trying to keep it flat, but oh well. Okay. All right, that's the second one, you guys. And I have my grill thingy, my griddle. It's on the stove. It's getting hot right now. I'm gonna put some onions on there also, you guys. Okay, We're gonna put the onions on the same time we put these on. Okay, last one. If you want to put extra bacon, you can, you guys. Maybe I should add one with extra bacon, huh? That'll be for my daughter. She loves bacon. This is for my daughter, because she is a bacon eater. Okay. Oops. Okay. There we go. See? All right, you guys. All right, so now I have my onions. Let me wash my hands. Okay. I also have onions, you guys, and I already sliced my onions, okay? See? They're sliced already. So we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna add this to the grill and this to the grill, okay? Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna put the hot links on the griddle top thingy back there, you guys. All right? So we're gonna put them on there and let them cook with the onions also, okay? Okay, you guys, so we're at the stove, okay? So I'm gonna add some oil to the grill, okay? Ooh, I wanna get that on my dress. I really gotta buy me an apron. Okay. All right. All right, so now we're gonna add the hot links, okay, you guys? We're gonna add the hot links now. Put the one with the most bacon on first. Okay. And I think I have the stove up too high, so I don't want it on too high, like a medium low, because the grill cooks kind of fast. So, let's do that, and then we're gonna put the onion. We're also gonna add the onion, you guys. Okay? So just throw your onion in there. Okay. All right. The grills usually cook a little fast, you guys, so you don't have to have the stove blasting. This is what you're comfortable with. I have mine on like a medium low. Okay, so we're just gonna let this cook, you guys, until the bacon gets cooked on that side, and then we'll flip it over. We're just gonna keep flipping it over until everything's ready, okay? Very simple. Super Bowl food. Okay? Our Super Bowl party hot links. All right, you guys, I'll be back in a few, okay? Okay, guys, so one thing I want to do that I like to do when I make my hot links is I like to put a hole, just punch holes in it, just to make sure that it gets nice and warm inside also. So you can flip it over and do it on the other side if you want. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because sometimes when a hot dog is so big like this, if you cook it too fast, it's not going to be warm in the inside. So that's why I put my little holes there. And also so that when I bite into it, that the you know, sometimes when you bite into a hot link after you cook it, pop all that juice. And no, I don't want it to do that. So that's why I poke the holes in it also. Okay. So I won't have a surprise when I bite into it. Gotta protect my lips. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna let those cook for a few more minutes and then we're gonna take them out, you guys, because they're pretty much ready. Okay? Okay, you guys, here we go. They're all done. Okay, and I made a little extra bacon on the side right there, see? So I got a few extra pieces of bacon to put on it. And that's the end results. Okay? Alright, so let's make these hot links. Okay? Okay, so let's put a plate. Okay? And now let's make a hot link. Okay, we're gonna make two. Alright, so first I'm gonna put the hot link in there. And sometimes I like to put the onions at the bottom, but for that one we'll do that one. Okay, and then the next one, okay, put that bad boy right there. Okay, all right, so put this to the side, and now we're gonna add some onions. Okay, you guys, well, maybe I'll add my relish first. Okay, I'm gonna add a little relish. I like relish on my hot dog. Okay, like that. Okay, a little relish. Then we're gonna add some extra bacon on it too. Okay, I'm gonna get my extra bacon, put it on there. Okay, put some on that one. A little more won't hurt. Okay, a little more on that one. Okay, so that's the bacon, you guys. All right, so now we're gonna add some onions. I love onions when they're cooked. Okay, some onions on there. Let's put some onions on the other one. Okay, and then we're gonna add, I want to add some tomatoes. I just want tomato for the color. I need some color on there. Okay, one more. All right. Put that like that. Because my daughter don't like too many tomatoes. But I do. Okay. And then we're gonna add some mustard, you guys. Just a little mustard. Okay. There we go. Voila. And there you have it. But I'm gonna put some pickles on the side of the plate and some chips, you guys. Hold on. Hold on. Just 1 minute. Okay, you guys, there you have it. And there you have it. guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to cook with me. And I'll see you soon because I'm going to make a couple more videos for the Super Bowl, okay? So see you soon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little button. Thank you. I'll see you soon.